Yeah, that Butterhead right there. 80 heads of Butterhead lettuce we grew in this one little raised bed. You want to harvest it at the right time. You don't want to wait too late because it'll change the flavor. And this is why I love Butterhead lettuce too, is look how the leaves break down. All right, you get this one little leaf. It's not like romaine lettuce where you get a lot of big leaves. You could just take the leaves that you need for your sandwich, keep the rest in a bag in your refrigerator, and then use it later on. These leaves are still really sweet. They taste great. You could eat them raw just like this. Like I said, put them on your salad, whatever. If I waited another 5 days or so, this is going to grow bigger and it's going to make the leaves actually start to taste bitter. It's going to change the flavor. So you don't want to wait too late to harvest your lettuce. This is about perfect size. So within the next day or two, I'm going to harvest these. These are perfect. I didn't cover these either, because these are the ones that we grew close to our onions, which have been protecting them. It's head lettuce. One time harvest, boom, it's out of there. I'm gonna have the next thing planted. This is the knife that I use for my one-time head lettuce. It's a blade, it's on an angle, lets me get in here, cut it right at the neck, leave the roots in the ground, and get the lettuce that I need, okay? That's the right knife for that.